macaroni soup. Ingredients: garlic, onion, hot dog, carrot, cabbage, chicken, macaroni. Evaporate milk, salt, ground pepper, water, and oil. While preparing for the vegetables, I already boiled the elbow macaroni to cook. In a pan, sauté chicken till cooked, then put onion and garlic, stir and let it cook for 1 minute. Add salt and ground pepper and let it for 1 minute. Put the cabbage and carrots, stir and let it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, check if the macaroni is cooked. If already cooked, put the sauté vegetables and let it boil for 2 minutes. Pour the evaporated milk and boil for 1 minute. Taste if needed more seasoning or not. Add the sliced hot dog and cook 30 seconds. Enjoy!